Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and we are at the cabin. What we just did is we paper bagged the deck, and now we have the glue over it. We're just waiting for everything to kind of settle down and dry. And then I'm going to put a little bit of stain over the top, the polyester stain, and then we're going to glaze, and I have some glaze over here that we're going to use. And that will weatherproof it and give it a nice glistening shine. But that's where we are so far. I thought we could do the whole deck today, but it's very time consuming doing this paper bag, being on your hands and knees. But we did manage to get the deck boards in and then paint the trim of the deck. And then I did do a little bit of reinforcing and painting to that room. We still have yet to put the roof and then the plywood around the edging of it. So there's still things to be done. We still have to put steps here and railings, but things are coming along. I'm hoping in 30 days we'll be done with this project and we'll be able to use the cabin in the springtime. My goal though at the end of October is to get everyone out here so we can do a yard cleanup and get kind of all of this stuff in the back of the lot so we can use it for firewood. But there is some fencing out front that we need to just kind of give us a little bit of privacy, so when people are riding by, they're not actually seeing everything that's going on here at the cabin. So anyway, so I'll be here again next weekend and the weekend after and probably the weekend after that, and every weekend just come up here and accomplish stuff till we get it done. I'm not walking on this floor right now because as I was stepping on it, my shoes was getting stuck. So we're just trying to let this all of this dry, this glue. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger. I'm up at the cabin. It's actually 35 degrees here in Minnesota today. Very, very cold out. We were trying to get some things done, but it wasn't supposed to be snowy today, but it started snowing on us. I'm a little too cold to finish the work that I had planned and wanted to do. So we're going to presume this for next weekend where it'll be in the 60s and we can get things accomplished and done. We still have to put the roof on the screen room. We still need to cut off kind of the sides here for where we put the railings up. And we still need to add the stairs. We're using this step ladder right now, but we still need to add the stairs to the deck, and then put the roof on the room. And then I started painting the cabin in the front. I was just going to do the front, and then in the spring I can finish the sides and the back, but I kind of stopped there because it was just too cold. My son did manage to get the window boxes up. They're not secure, but that's okay. Right now we need to be able to punch some drain holes in them. But he's going to hang these lights on either side. And then we're going to get going for the day and kind of be finished. And then try to resume all of this next weekend. So next weekend I'm hoping that I can at least finish that painting. I have a cute wreath I want to hang on the top part of the cabin. So I can do that next weekend. And then I have, see, I want to do the painting over here, but I want to paint this door, and then I got to finish spray painting this. But we did manage to get the trim around the screen room. So this is what I am going to put some really nice slate tile around the room. So it'll look like a completed nice room. And then this is all going to be black. And then we'll have the top on the screen room. So lots to do, but keep watching, more video footage coming up. Okay everybody, so now my cute little lights are on, and they're on each side, as you can see. So I really love those. I'm excited about that. Lots to do still. But it's coming along. We're a lot further than we were, so I'm excited. This table here, I'm going to end up painting this black as well. And so this will be our little area to have our little picnics and stuff. Keep watching. More video footage coming up. Okay, you guys, so I have these cute string lights. It's going to go in the room addition. They are waterproof, so this is all like rubber. And then I have this beautiful chandelier that's going to go in the screen room. And inside the screen room here, as you can see, I have my rocking chairs. But they're not going to be in here, because I have a table that's going to go in here. The rocking chairs and this cute little lantern is going to go out on the deck. And then I have a beautiful fireplace that's going to sit right here on the deck. And I'm going to actually have candles on that. So, keep watching. The renovation has not finished and been completed yet, but a couple more weeks we'll be done. So, keep watching. More video footage coming up.